Hey everybody, it's Naima from Beachbum Wisdom, back with another facial video. And this week, as I do my signature facial on my client here with combination skin, I'm going to be talking about how your skincare routine should change as the seasons change. We're now in the last days of summer, so we're transitioning into autumn, and weather changes are definitely going to follow that. Although here in sunny Southern California, it's still very much feeling like summer. But at some point, the temperature is going to start changing and our skin is going to react to that. During the summer months, there's often more humidity in the air to help moisture stay in the skin and to protect its barrier. And you guys know how I feel about skin barrier protection. In my opinion, that's the key to healthy skin. So in the cooler months, the air will get drier outside, and with turning the heater on inside, our skin is going to start to lose moisture. The barrier can get disrupted, and with that comes increased sensitivity, dryness, and irritation. So here are some easy tips to assist you with your skincare routine for the fall in order to maintain healthy skin year-round. But of course, before we get started, if you haven't already, please give this video a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel for more videos like this. If your skin gets really sensitive, especially in the drier months, hydrate your skin with elastin, collagen, or aloe. People with sensitive skin or with conditions like psoriasis or eczema might feel burning or overly sensitive for a few days or even weeks during the transition of seasons. So keep your skin hydrated with a coat of essential oils, serums, and creams. Shameless plug, if you don't already know about my Sacred Glow Ritual Oil, it's perfect for that. It's a blend of some of the best non-comedogenic oils and skin-nourishing essential oils, and that's a perfect shield of protection to lock in that moisture. You can also nourish your skin with elastin and collagen to aid in the recovery process. And another natural option is coating your skin with cold processed aloe as your skin builds and exfoliates. Another thing that you can do is switch to a thicker moisturizer. Applying a thicker moisturizer before bed is going to be important to compensate for the change by adding more moisture to the skin, which is going to help to retain it. Some of my favorite moisturizers come from Eminence Organic Skincare. I love their moisturizers because they're super thick and rich and loaded with natural and organic ingredients that are amazing for the skin. Some of my favorites are the Stone Crop Whip Moisturizer. I use this one on my clients all the time. Stone Crop is a natural succulent that's been used for centuries as a first aid plant, and this moisturizer also heals, reduces the appearance of irritation, and gently clarifies the skin's appearance. Another one of my favorites, and one that I use all the time at home at night when I really want to drench my skin with moisture, is the Monoi Age Corrective Night Cream for the face and the neck. And this moisturizer is not only going to lock in that hydration, it's going to diminish the visible signs of aging while you sleep. A little goes a long way, and you apply it to your face, your neck, and your décolletage area. It also has primrose oil in it with argan stem cell complex to rejuvenate the look of aging skin and to smooth out the appearance of wrinkles. Some other areas that you can place some focused attention as the weather starts to cool down is your lips and your eye area. Use a lip moisturizer and eye creams. So as you're switching to a thicker moisturizer, pay special attention to your lip area and the skin around your eyes. Adding these two products is definitely going to help with the transition. And you don't even really need a special eye cream for the skin around your eyes. Just make sure that you're using a really good quality, rich moisturizer on the rest of your face, and then place some focused attention on your eye area, making sure that you're coating that area as well. Another tip I'd like to offer is that you can scale back on your use of exfoliants and retinoids as the weather gets cooler. Humidity and warm temperatures usually buffers the irritating effects of these products, most likely because of the increased oiliness of the skin. And if you're looking for a more natural alternative to retinol, bakuchiol is great. It's a natural anti-aging alternative. It's from the bobchi seeds of the bakuchi, and it's a type of meroterpene that helps to purge and heal the skin. There are lots of amazing products with bakuchiol. Another tip is to add vitamin C to your regimen. That's going to work double duty during the colder months. It's going to help combat SPF rays that aren't fully blocked by sunscreen. And it's, of course, going to help boost collagen production, resulting in a brighter complexion. And speaking of sun rays, I have to mention to please continue to wear your SPF even in the cooler months. I can't stress this enough. Yes, UV radiation is greater during the summertime, but it's still present throughout all 4 seasons. And as you all know by now, UV radiation accelerates and increases the risk of skin cancer and those little lines and wrinkles that we start to see as we age. So there you have it. I hope you found some of these tips useful, or that they've served as a little reminder for you all to take extra care of your skin as the weather begins to change. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, please give this video a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel for more videos like this. I'll see you soon.